it's Moana Robinson here from Be Style for Life. I am here with Janine Vosper and Samiko Ayres, who also will be holding the retreat at Airlie Beach 5th to 9th of June this year. We're very excited and we are holding a working bee today to do some more planning. Samiko, what are you going to be doing at the retreat apart from teaching some amazing photography skills?
Yes, I will teach you how to pose in front of the camera to be confident, and also I will capture your essence.
So Samiko's an award-winning photographer. We also have an award-winning coach for public speaking and unpacking your story. Janine, can you give a tip? Janine Vosper, sorry. Janine, can you give a tip to help everyone with their speaking and unpacking their story?
Thanks, Mo. One of the things that I want people to recognise, first of all, is everyone has a story. And even if you don't think it's of value, other people will find that of value, and making it relevant to what you do and how you do it. That's one of the things I'll help you on retreat. But one of the tips I'll give, whatever you're writing copy, whenever you're writing anything, is to add emotion to it. Find those emotional words that really will connect with you and also connect with your audience. But don't worry about it. I'm going to help you do exactly that. And then I get the chance to edit it as well.
So book in 5th to 9th of June this year. We're looking forward to meeting you.
We'll see you there.
Bye.
Bye.
Ding.